Here, kiddie crew! Embark on an unforgettable journey where adorable farm animals and wild jungle creatures come together for exciting adventures. Learn about their lives, how they survive in their unique environments, and help them in daring rescue missions. Get ready to laugh, learn, and make new furry friends. Watch as they go on exciting hunts for food and work together in daring rescues to help their friends. Let's jump into the fun! The intricacies of hamster habitat. While hamsters are primarily herbivorous, they are considered omnivores because they may eat insects and small invertebrates in addition to their plant-based diet. Hamsters have a keen sense of smell, primordial predator, the mighty crocodile. Crocodiles have several adaptations that make them successful predators, including keen senses of sight, smell, and hearing. They have specialized glands in their tongues that excrete excess salt. The allure of donkey dynamics. Donkeys have been traditionally used for various tasks, including carrying loads, plowing fields, and providing transportation. Donkeys communicate with each other through various vocalizations, such as braying. Each donkey has a unique bray. On the trail of the Puma. Pumas are found in various habitats throughout North and South America, ranging from forests and mountains to deserts and swamps. Pumas have slender bodies, short fur, and a long tail. They are tawny or grayish in color with lighter underparts. A portrait of wolves in nature. Wolves have played significant roles in various cultures and mythologies. They are often symbolic of freedom, loyalty, and strength. However, negative stereotypes have also contributed to their persecution in some regions. Unleashing the furry friend dog. Dogs are known for their loyalty and affection. The hormone oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, increases in both humans and dogs when they interact positively. Some dog breeds are known for their intelligence, such as the Border Collie. The marvels of cheetahs. Cheetahs primarily inhabit open grassland and savannas, as their speed is better suited for chasing down prey in these areas. They are found in parts of Africa and a few isolated populations in Iran, and they are usually solitary animals. Unveiling the chicken life cycle. While domesticated chickens are not known for their flying abilities, they can fly short distances and perch on low branches or roost. Chickens come in a variety of feather colors and patterns. Some breeds have striking plumage, while others are more subdued. Masters of camouflage and cunning. Leopard. Leopards are part of the Panthera genus, which also includes lions, tigers and jaguars. Leopards are known for their distinctive golden yellow fur covered in black spots and rosettes. Adult leopards vary in size, but on average, care and connection of rabbit. Rabbits have a unique digestive system known as hindgut fermentation. They produce two types of fecal pellets: hard ones that they do not eat, and soft, nutrient-rich ones that they eat directly from their bottom. A visual safari into the zebra's domain. There are 3 species of zebras, and each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, similar to human fingerprints. The black and white stripes are thought to act as a form of camouflage in the grassland, confusing predators such as lions and hyenas. Encounter the heaviest animal, elephants. Elephants are herbivores and can consume up to 300 pounds of food in a single day. Despite their size, elephants have sensitive skin that can be prone to sunburn. They often use mud or dust as a natural sunscreen. Elephants can live for a long time, often reaching ages of 60 to 70 years in the wild. Behold the mighty hippopotamus! Hippos are excellent swimmers and spend a significant amount of time in the water. They have a unique adaptation where their eyes, ears, and nostrils are located on the top of their heads, allowing them to stay submerged while still being able to see. Our spotlight on cows begins now. Cows can be playful and curious, showing unique personalities. Some cows are bold and outgoing, while others are more reserved and cautious. Cows have an impressive field of vision and can see almost 360 degrees around them. This helps them detect predators from nearly all directions. The timeless beauty of horse. Throughout history, horses have played a critical role in human civilization, serving as transportation in agriculture and in various forms of labor. Equine therapy, also known as horse therapy, has been recognized for its therapeutic benefits in addressing various physical, emotional, and psychological issues in humans. A horse's hooves are made of keratin, unmasking the majestic stripes of tiger. It is true, tigers are considered as solitary animals, unlike the sights of multiple tigers kept in one cage in the zoos. You are less likely to spot the same age group of tigers roaming together in the wild. The tigers have a varied diet and can feast on anything that comes its way: deer, antelope, crocodile, buffalo, and even their own group of cats like leopards. The enduring legacy of goats. Goats are hardy animals that can adapt to a variety of climates and terrains. They are often found in diverse environments from mountains to deserts. The gestation period for a goat is approximately 150 days, Female goats are called does. There are over 300 different breeds of goats. The star of the show, polar bear. Polar bears have an incredibly keen sense of smell, capable of detecting a seal nearly a mile away and under several feet of compacted snow. Their primary diet consists of seals, particularly ringed and bearded seals. They use a hunting technique called still hunting. So glad you tuned in to watch Cute and Cuddly, Farm Animals, Jungle Animals Hunt and Rescues Adventure. Subscribe now and join us for a day full of exploration, laughter and heartfelt moments. Together, let's celebrate the beauty and bravery of our farm and jungle animal friends while creating memories that will last a lifetime. Stay tuned for more muddy moments. Take care, young pioneers.